talking. Grab your coat and let's start walking. Come on, come on. 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 Don't procrastinate, don't articulate, girl, and get money. You separate right. Yeah, a little less conversation, a little more action, please. All this aggravation is satisfaction in me. Baby, I'm tired of talking. Grab your coat and let's start walking.